Okay, attempt number 3, I think. The camera's gonna fall over. There we go. All right, I put it over here in the vise. I put a smaller drill in it, went way deep in there. Hopefully it's got better holding power, expanding the bushing out. Or the sleeve, I doubt it. I'm gonna heat it up with a torch, pretty hot. I'm definitely gonna smoke that cardboard. And I'm going to try to pull it out, and hopefully it comes out. The problem is brass and aluminum expand about the same, so I'm doing only melt and Loctite. I don't think heating up really hot is going to make a big difference, but I'm going to go at least probably 400, 500 degrees. We'll see. It's going to get hot. Alright, so zip gun ready to go over here. Okay, let's get the zip gun on this side of the place. Open the door to get some air in here because it's going to start smoking. And let's see, a set of gloves won't hurt. So I don't burn the piss out of my hands too awful bad. Of course I will burn them. Because they got holes in them. That's how we like our gloves, full of holes. Alright. Of course, we've got nothing around here that catches on fire, so we're okay. I don't know how hot this is going to be, so some carbon there so I can see. When you melt the carbon, it's 900 degrees. 9 to 950. In case I don't see smoking. Smoke is an indication of heat too, but there's not much oil or stuff in there to smoke, so all I got is Loctite to smoke, then they're going to tell me nothing. I'm just going to heat this thing up, see what happens. Fog in here. Burn that bug. I don't know if I got him or not. Alright, I'm sure that's probably hot enough. Yeah, it is now. The carbon just started melting off the outside of the bushing area right over here. Just as I said it was time to quit, the temperature got hot. Okay, let's see what happens here. That's a good sign. That's not a good sign. It didn't come out. Kind of like I moved in. She's nice and hot, that's for sure. Ooh, burning me. Damn. There's a hole in that glove. Don't hold it right there. Okay, I don't know if that went in deep enough to do anything or not. same one back in. Okay, last time. Nope. Not come. Alright, that ain't gonna work. Yep, big failure. You didn't burn the cover on this side, that's good. Damn it, it's hot. Alright, I've got to cut it out. I was hoping that would work, but I wasn't holding my breath on it. So it's all the same, it all expands the same. The only difference, the Loctite got melted. Alright, any fires in this place tonight? Enough fires going in this damn kind of city or state right now. Don't need me. I don't have no fires burning around here, do I? Nah, not me. There you go. Stomp it out. That's how you get rid of fires. You go outside and stomp on it a little bit. Good enough for me. All right, that's it for tonight on this one.